turn?
Yeah,
oh, okay.
I'm doing it.
Go a little further.
Huh?
Go a little further.
A little further?
Yeah. Go faster. There we go. So we are creeping up on a shipwrecked barge, it looks like. Off of Key Largo. Water is just beautiful. All right, so we're getting up to the barge wreck here, and it's not as big as I thought it would be. Getting a little choppy around here. I wonder what happened here.
Huh?
I wonder what happened here. Ah! Looks like it's a nice home for the seabirds.
I don't want to get on that.
No, you don't want to get on that.
No, it's rusted as fuck. What the fuck? God. The currents are...
Yeah, I'm on it.
Oh, that's cool as shit.
Yeah, it is.
And I would go inside if it wasn't, you know... all the
No tetanus shot would save you from that.
Huh?
No tetanus shot would save you from that. A lot of concrete on that ship.
Maybe they just filled it with concrete. I don't know how that works. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Everybody saw that banter.
Shrimpies and stuff crawling all over the bow. Alright, well, back on to our main destination.
I don't think you could fucking see it from that.
Yeah? That's good. Is he still eating? I can't tell.
No. It killed and ate the little already.
That's pretty cool. And I go completely off course in the process. Nothing.
Ground shot?
Yeah, just taking pictures, taking footage.